Hey friends, today we learn how to get instant free followers on TikTok. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Here I open my profile and I have 11 followers. Simply go back, click on search icon, search famous account, open famous account, open this large account, click on follow, follow others account, after add 10 or 15 or 20 accounts, simply go back to your profile, then reload your profile and click on followers. You successfully get 3 followers within seconds and it will increase, and here you see it's become 16. That's how you can increase followers on TikTok without any effort. If you like our video, please subscribe.